Right now, as you sit here, you are moving, not just the rotation of the Earth or the orbit around the Sun. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, is screaming through the void at 250,000 miles per hour. But we aren't just moving, we are being hunted. 2.5 million light years away, a monster is approaching. It is the Andromeda Galaxy. It is larger than us, older than us, and it is heading straight for us. For billions of years, the gap between us has been closing. For most of human history, we thought the stars were eternal and fixed. We were wrong. We are currently in the middle of a cosmic car crash that began before the Earth was even born. Astronomers used to think this collision was billions of years away, a problem for the distant future. But in late 2025 and early 2026, new data from the Gaia spacecraft revealed something unsettling. The halo of Andromeda, the invisible cloud of gas and dark matter that surrounds it, is already touching us. The collision isn't coming, it has already started. Today, on Versa Vista, we are looking at the final moments of our galaxy, the terrifying physics of the Milky merger, and the strange fate of the human race when the sky finally breaks. Most people imagine a galaxy collision like two glass balls shattering against each other. They imagine stars hitting stars in a fiery explosion. But galaxies are mostly empty space. If you were standing on a planet during the merger, you wouldn't see a single star hit another. The violence is much more subtle and much more terrifying. It is a war of gravity. As Andromeda gets closer, its massive gravitational pull will begin to rip the arms off the Milky Way. Our beautiful spiral shape, the one we've lived in for 13 billion years, will be distorted into a chaotic, mangled mess. In early 2026, researchers published a paper on galactic cannibalism. They found that Andromeda has done this before. It has the scars of at least 6 other galaxies it has swallowed in the past. We aren't meeting an equal, we are being consumed by a predator. And the first thing it will do is steal our stars. Every galaxy has a heart. Ours is Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Andromeda has its own heart, a black hole that is 100 million times the mass of our Sun. When the galaxies merge, these two monsters will begin a death dance. They will sink toward the new center of the merged galaxy, circling each other faster and faster. This process will send gravitational waves through the entire universe, ripples in the fabric of reality itself. But there is a truth that scientists are only now starting to whisper about. When two supermassive black holes merge, the energy released is enough to quench the entire galaxy. It can blow all the gas and dust out into deep space, making it impossible for new stars to ever be born. In a million years, the new galaxy, Milky, might become a zombie galaxy, a place where no new life can begin and the old stars simply wait to go out. But what happens to us, to our Sun, to the Earth? The math gives us 3 possible futures, and none of them feel like home. In the first scenario, our solar system is tossed out. The gravitational chaos acts like a slingshot, throwing the Sun into the cold, dark, intergalactic void. We would become a rogue system, drifting alone in the darkness between galaxies, millions of light years from the nearest star. In the second scenario, we are pulled into the new active center. The radiation from the merging black holes would be so intense that it would strip away the atmospheres of any planet nearby. And the third, we are borrowed. Our sun could be captured by Andromeda's gravity and pulled into its orbit. We would literally change nationalities in the middle of the night. In 2026, we are looking at the source code of these movements. We've realized that our orbit around the Milky Way is not a circle, it's a spiral that is already being nudged by Andromeda's ghost. If humans are still alive when the merger hits its peak, the night sky will be the most beautiful and terrifying thing ever seen. Andromeda will grow until it takes up the entire horizon. It will be a second sun that never sets, glowing with the light of 1 trillion stars. The sky will turn active. New stars will be born in massive starburst regions, lighting up the clouds of gas like cosmic neon signs. But this beauty is a mask for the end of our world. Researchers call this the final consolidation. Once the two galaxies become one, the great filter we discussed in previous videos becomes even harder to pass. The environment becomes unstable. The radiation levels spike. The reset button is pressed on a galactic scale. We are currently living in the golden hour of the Milky Way, the peace before the storm. In the end, the Milky Way will die. Andromeda will die. In their place will be a giant elliptical galaxy, a red, dead ball of old stars. The beautiful spirals will be gone. The source code of our home will be rewritten. We like to think of the universe as a playground, but it is a furnace. Everything we see is in a state of being destroyed or being rebuilt. When the two hearts of our galaxies finally beat as one, will there be anyone left to see the light? The collision has already begun. The halo is here, and the monster is at the door.